Hello, everybody. Just want to give you a quick rundown how this Edulastic lesson works for pedigrees. It's a little different than others. Um, Basically, the questions are still here. And you'll answer them the same way. However, in this case, the information you need to answer the questions will be found on the left-hand side. So if you need to know the definition of a pedigree, you would just click that, and you get this definition. There's a little pedigree introductory video to watch that'll help give you answers. How to read a pedigree video a chart. There's a video for that, so you can get a quick definition of that. A little bit about pedigree analyses and a closer look at a pedigree chart. What's all involved in that? So it's all available right here. So you don't have to go looking around for information on pedigrees. Please use the resources you have so that you can get a good grade. Once you're done with that question, you can move on. The resources are still here. If you need to look at them again, go ahead. So you can look at them as many times as you want to get all the answers you want on pedigree. Watch the videos. That'll help you a lot. What you got to read really isn't that much. This is more a quick key of what's going on, and answer the 11 questions and turn it in. That's all there is. So have a good day.